Morning, kiddos. So, today we're going to do a literary elements vocabulary assignment. You're going to do this over the next couple class periods. So, I've got 12,000 things open, so give me just a sec. I got to make myself smaller and move myself. Okay. It's going to be in whatever folder it's in. It's going to be right here. We're going to do a pre-assessment. And then after we do the pre-assessment, you guys are going to do your vocabulary. Again, your pre-assessment, it's a 30-point assessment when we do the post-test. So again, your over 30 grade is not going to hurt your score. You're going to get 10 out of 10 points just for doing this. Then I'm going to have this uploaded in. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Shut up, Jimmy. Okay. I'm going to pause it real quick. All right, I'm back. So you're going to get out a sheet of paper, maybe two if you need so. I'll click on this. We're going to open it up. You're going to find and write the definition for each word. Then you're going to give one synonym, one antonym for each word. The definition number that you need to use is in parentheses. Use dictionary.com and thesaurus.com. I will do examples for you. So you're going to do these 15 words. These are literary elements. This is plot diagramming. This is what you need to know these words as we're getting ready to do our performance-based assessment, your nonfiction narrative. So I'm going to do one with you. Let's do the first word, plot. So, I almost forgot to mention something. Sorry. Don't be mad at me. If you go underneath this, set up your page like this. Oh, and I forgot to take out a T. Do it like this, where you have the word, and then underneath put an A and a B. The S is for a synonym. The A is for an antonym. Oh, well, I left 15 there, so we're going to do two of them. Whoops. Okay, that's all right. Okay, you're going to get two of them done for you. 15, resolution, the final point or end of a story's plot. That's why I told you I want you guys to use the word denouement for, I know we call it denouement, but it's actually French. It's called denouement. So let's go and I'm going to show you. Let's do the word plot. So here at dictionary.com, we're going to type in the word plot. And again, you're going to use the number 2 definition. I don't want the secret plan because that's not exactly what we're doing. It's also called the storyline, the plan, the scheme, or main story of a literary dramatic work as a play, novel, or short story. Now, as I'm going to tell you in class, you don't have to write it out verbatim, which is Latin for word. You can shorten the definition to be more you-friendly, but still have the heart of what this means. So I'm going to type out a copy to show you what it's talking about. I'll go down to my setup. I'll make this a little bigger so you guys can see. So we're going to say, also called the storyline, the main plan or story. I'm just going to put the main plan. Main plan or story of a piece of work. whether it be a novel, short story, movie, game, nonfiction, narrative. Actually, I like the word narrative. Etc. Okay, so that's what you can do, something like that. That gives you the definition of what the plot is. Then, if we go up here and again, if we click over here on the right to thesaurus.com, we can close. And again, we can type in the word plot again. And again, we don't want plan or scheme. If you look here, we've got noun, storyline, noun, tract of land, noun, plan, scheme, noun, map out. We're going to go to the one that says storyline. We see that the darker orange are the really good ones. We see the lighter oranges are the okay ones that you could still use. Pick one of them. I'm just going to call it the story because that's what it is. So, in the S, you would put story. And then if we go down again, notice when we have the gray, this is where we have the antonyms. Again, some of these words are not going to have them. I'm going to show you. So let's call it inactivity. Let's use that word. So we're going to go I can't spell today. Inactivity. Okay. So that's what you're going to do on that. This will be a 30-point assignment. Your definition is going to be worth 1 point. Your synonym, your antonyms is going to be worth a half point apiece. So each one of the 15 is going to be worth 2 points apiece. But again, if you notice, 1 and 15 have been done for you because I forgot to erase 15. So, hey, you got 2 of them. Well, now let me go back up and show you some stuff. Theme, you're going to have no antonym. So don't worry about, again, if you leave that blank, that's okay. You get free half points. External and internal conflict. Use conflict, just the word conflict by itself, for synonyms. And use each other word as the antonym. That makes sense. Talk to me in class. So for an external conflict, use the word internal conflict. For internal conflict, use external conflict. Notice point of view has no antonym, but it will have a synonym. For rising action and falling action, rising action will have a synonym, falling action will have no synonym, but use each other word as the antonym for each other. And then in 15, I said use the word denouement or denouement as the word to look up. But again, I left that up there for you because I forgot to erase it. So you get that word free. As always, Pirates, if you have any questions, please message me on Schoolology or please talk to me in class. This assignment will be due at the end of the hour on October 26th. Thank you very much, Pirates, and have a super sparkly day.